Another day, another story.
Join us on a journey to discover the reasons behind vehicle accidents and learn valuable advice to prevent them. From distracted driving to speeding, drunk driving to lack of maintenance, this video sheds light on the common causes of accidents on the road. Gain insights and practical tips to stay safe, protect lives, and create a culture of responsible driving. Embark on this transformative adventure towards safer roads and become a part of the solution. Buckle up for Road to Safety, Preventing Vehicle Accidents. Distracted driving. Distractions divert your attention from the road, increasing the risk of accidents. Examples include using mobile phones, eating, or multitasking while driving. To prevent distracted driving, it's important to prioritize your focus on the road. Avoid using your phone, especially texting, unless it's an emergency. If necessary, pull over to a safe location to address any distractions or tasks. Speeding. Speeding is a leading cause of accidents, as it reduces the time available for you to react to unexpected situations. Observe posted speed limits and adjust your speed based on road conditions, such as heavy traffic or adverse weather. Remember, it's better to arrive a few minutes later than to risk your safety and the safety of others. Drunk driving. Driving under the influence of alcohol or drugs significantly impairs your judgment, coordination, and reaction time. It's essential to never get behind the wheel if you've consumed substances that impair your ability to drive safely. Plan ahead and use alternative transportation options like designated drivers, public transportation, or ride-sharing services. Reckless driving. Reckless driving behaviors, such as tailgating, frequent lane changing, or running red lights, increase the likelihood of accidents. Practice patience, respect, and courtesy towards other drivers on the road. Avoid aggressive maneuvers and follow traffic laws to ensure a safer driving experience for everyone. Fatigue. Driving while fatigued can be as dangerous as driving under the influence. Lack of sleep impairs your reaction time, attention, and decision-making abilities. Before embarking on a long drive, ensure you are well rested. Take breaks every 2 hours or when you feel drowsy. If possible, share the driving responsibilities with someone else. Weather conditions. Adapting your driving behavior to suit weather conditions is crucial. Rain, snow, fog, or other adverse weather conditions can reduce visibility and affect the road surface. Slow down. Maintain a safe distance from other vehicles, and use appropriate signals and headlights. Allow extra time for your journey and be prepared for sudden changes in road conditions. Lack of maintenance. Regular vehicle maintenance is vital to prevent mechanical failures that can lead to accidents. Check your brakes, tires, lights, and fluid levels regularly. Follow the manufacturer's recommended maintenance schedule and address any issues promptly. A well-maintained vehicle performs optimally and reduces the chances of unexpected breakdowns or accidents. Failure to observe traffic laws. Traffic laws exist to maintain order and ensure safety on the roads. Observe speed limits, yield right-of-way when necessary, use turn signals, and stop at red lights and stop signs. Always be aware of and follow the rules and regulations specific to your area. By being a law-abiding driver, you contribute to a safer driving environment. Inadequate visibility. Good visibility is essential for safe driving. Clean your windshield regularly, use your mirrors effectively, and ensure your headlights and taillights are in working order. Adjust your driving behavior to accommodate limited visibility, such as driving more cautiously at night or in low light conditions. Lack of defensive driving. Defensive driving involves being proactive, anticipating potential hazards, and maintaining a safe distance from other vehicles. Stay alert. Scan the road ahead, and be aware of the actions of other drivers. Avoid tailgating and allow enough space between your vehicle and the one in front of you to give you enough time to react to sudden changes. By understanding and applying these explanations and advice, you can significantly reduce the risk of accidents and promote safer driving habits. Remember, responsible driving is a shared responsibility, and your commitment to
For watching.